Hi, I'm Avital. I'm originally from New York City.
My name is Nama. I'm originally from Los Angeles and I now live in Tel Aviv.
So we're both major foodies. We love hosting dinners with our friends, exploring new restaurants and the culinary world.
I came to Israel really wanting, to find not only an amazing activity and hobby, but also to find my community, which is exactly what I found here at Danon.
I've enjoyed every moment of being here. The location is amazing at the Namal, the port in Tel Aviv. The facilities are beautiful. All the instructors teach at a really high quality level. It's great that Danon offers a course in English for Olim who are English speaking. It's a great opportunity to meet other people who really love the culinary scene and want to improve their cooking skills together.
Most importantly, we've made a lot of friends here who are also passionate about food and love this culinary world, which has been really exciting and has created such a thriving community for us, which is really fun. We also are able to cook a lot of Mediterranean and Arabic dishes, which is really exciting and something you can only do here.